Hi guys, Happy New Year! This is my first trip to Ikea of 2023 and I am really excited to see their new products. I searched really well, opened all their drawers and cabinets. The first new product in my local showroom is this mid-century modern armchair. It was really easy to spot because it's a crowd favorite and there was an actual crowd around it. I waited 5 minutes to grab this video. It comes in 4 colors and 2 textiles. My favorite is this light brown leather. It's a top grain leather and I hear that it lasts around 25 years if it's maintained well. I sat on it and it's really comfy, perfect for a reading nook. This one is nice, it's a statement piece and it goes well if you have a modern or industrial style. I did the comfy test on this one as well and it's not bad. It looks more uncomfortable than it actually is. The rattan chair is nice. I like the hourglass shape and feels sturdy. This one is not my style. It looks like you put 2 sleeping pillows on a mid-century modern chair to make it comfortable. We have a new couch as well. It comes in 2 and 3 seats version and 4 colors. The cream color suits the model best. It complements the shape and the details. If you like a really soft couch that you will sink into when you sit, then you will love this one. You can get also this matching ottoman that can be used as a coffee table if you put some trays on it or just a footstool. And it has storage space as well. It's in the same style as the couch behind it, but a lot cheaper, I think almost half price. And it's softer than that one. This line is new. I like the dark wood finish and it feels sturdy for its price. I saw some new items in the light section as well. This light is very cheap and it feels cheap, but on the ceiling you cannot tell if it's plastic or glass. So if you have a small budget but you want your home to look nice and modern, I recommend Ikea. I speak from personal experience. After buying my apartment, I was left with a really small budget to furnish it, and I think around 80% of my furniture and decor are from Ikea. I found that even their cheapest products have a decent quality standard, and they have one of the easiest return policies in case something is not working out for you. Last but not least, I spotted also some new prints, this Eiffel Tower and vintage camera duo, or this entire gallery wall, and of course their signature deer paintings. Thanks for watching. Bye.